Hi all, it's PJ and welcome to the Serger Club project for November. So this is a fun little project that uses a simple rectangle of fabric, and through some fancy stitching and folding, it turns it into a square that is on the bias basically. And you get fun little stitching. I guess I could find one that you could actually see a little bit better. Here we go. So there's fun stitching there and here. And there's an ingenious little way to get a little loop in here. It's a great way to use up scraps of fabric. You can stitch pieces together and show off more of your decorative thread. So this one ends up being like this. It ends up being on the bias when you start with just strips. So this was one great big long strip. Bunch of different sizes. There are 7 different sizes from 4 1/4 up to 12 1/4. So this is the largest size, which would make, I think, a great trivet. And then this is a fun one. So this started out, I have a little picture here because I stitched up the fabric. This started out as this piece of fabric. So I had 2 chunks and I just used up a bunch of my scraps. I had 2 strips and then I put some that were going the opposite direction. And this is what you end up with. Kind of a patchwork with a bunch of different stitching in there. Really fun, really quick. Honestly, after the cutting, they stitch up in about maybe 10 minutes. I'm going to show you a clever way to turn the loops. That's really very easy. And how to stitch that up. All right, let's get started.